a vehicle so synonymous with camping that they called it a camper. Let's check it out. Hi, today we're unboxing a Volkswagen T1B Samba. The scale is 118, the manufacturer is Schuco, and the article number is 450037800. The model comes in the classic Schuco white box. Let's dig in. This door opening tool comes in the box and it's pretty useful. The Volkswagen Type 2, which is also called the Volkswagen Bus, Combi, or Transporter, is one of the most recognizable vehicles of all time. It was named Type 2 because it was the second vehicle produced by VW in 1949, following the Beetle, which was the Type 1. The Type 2 T1 was in production from 1950 to 1967, when it gave way to the second generation bus, the T2. The Samba variant was the most luxurious of the T1. They had two-tone paint, a 23-window configuration, a large canvas sunroof, and barnyard-style double side doors. Here's an example of the actual VW Samba bus. Schuco was on my radar for a while, and this was my first time ever trying it. Gotta say, I was happy with the attention to detail. For instance, this set of keys hanging from the ignition switch was nice to see. Both the exterior and the interior colors are rich and bang on. I'm so happy this model has openings because I'm telling you, I don't think I would have bought this thing if it was a closed shell. I like that they included this rear hatch prop rod. I never moved it, but it's nice to see such small details. The engine bay lid can be opened as well, and it reveals the VW B4 engine, which wasn't exactly big, but it did the job. The fuel or gas cap cover can also be opened, and you can see the VW logo on the cap itself. Cute. These vehicles have more openings than a smaller car, like a sedan, and it's pretty satisfying for a diecast. The side doors, which are kind of a fingerprint magnet, can be opened, and you can see the white packaging foam tightly placed inside to protect the interior, specifically the bench seats. The interior is spacious and detailed, and the colors are, for lack of a better term, groovy. I know the Samba was made in the early 1950s, but the hippie vibe I get from this model is more late 60s for some reason. The original emblem on these things was kind of a giant one, wasn't it? Also, the amount of windows on them. It's a lot. The actual Samba bus comes with a large fabric sunroof, and it's represented here in the model as well. I haven't opened it, but it does open indeed. The model ticks most of the boxes in terms of details and quality. And if found at retail price, or even lower, this VW would certainly inject some color into your diecast collection. And that's that.